in like a diagonals or cascade style.
Ooh. Yes, so Hustler, follow the website. So somebody might punch the wrong number on the box we got. But if you see that another 70, go 70.
Here. Here for 60 seconds. I'm sorry, 30 seconds. If you have a white bottle, 60 seconds, but this one is 30 seconds. You kind of can tell that I'm so excited today because I don't know if I ever not excited even though I'm sleepy. I'm still doing nails and design for you when even I'm about to sleep. This is how much I like it. I gotta be at least with you. Oh, the 1970s, that's right. Look at this, this is really cool though. I'm so obsessed with this. Even though it's not much crystal, I didn't even put the beads on it. But the colors is standing out. And then the matte of like the papers.
Yeah, so guys, very quick. Fix, so the 4 is number 70 purple set. Somebody stick the wrong number on that one.
Maybe it's I got help, then I did. Probably someone put a wrong number, I guess.
Yes, it's number 70.
It's purple set. Keeps.
There you go, take it out.
Ah, it is? Okay, sorry, my bad. Well, because we have so many for it, I have Lily will help me. And then maybe we're punching the long number. Danny, how are you in the baby, babe? All right, half of the foils, chamfer foils, applied on. And ta-da, let's go see what's up with this one. Oh, I can go. I want a lot of lines right there. It's only transfer to where I apply my gels. If I don't have the gels in there, it's not going to transfer. So gorgeous. And I didn't apply it on here, so oh, the nail today is so dramatic. I'm loving it. The flowers is everything. You can get individual, or you can also get it like a bundles. Oh, I'm loving these flowers. It looks like cappuccino's color.
I think that's what we call.
Is it cappuccino? It's so beautiful. It's just like toned the pink. It's like a really hot pink, and the like a chromes look down, and it just balance it out. Okay, I'm taking this one with me on these nails. I love this. This is one of my favorites flowers. It have a few different colors. I think it's 10 colors or 12. But you see me doing a lot of videos. I wear this on my thumbs. I'm loving it. It's just so gorgeous. And it had a whole entire big centerpiece inside of that flower fish. It's just everything. You just get once and then experience yourself, and as you can tell exactly what I'm talking about. It's perfect on the thumbs, or even if you can do it on yours ring fingers, it will work too. But anyways, it's make me feel like next set I should have that flower sheet back on. I have it quite a few times on my. All right, so we're going back with our crystal placements, Bestie, and apply on. If you know exactly where you are, you can do it right there, but you know me, I always add some extras one, but I didn't load it with really thick condensed glue gel. You do not need to, because our condensed gel is really a thick density, so you don't need a little, go a long way. And then, of course, no wipe top coat. Oh, we're talking about this matte. Matte or shiny? Everyone.
Well, you can keep the bottom part shiny and just put matte on top. So your regular no wipe at the bottom for the shiny, and then matte up top.
All right. Why you are so difficult?
Might as well. Just since you do so fast tonight, might as well give you an extra time.
Why you are so difficult?
Now you have matte up top, and then
Matte
you
top
have all blank.
coat. Haha, tiny and matte. See, I'm fulfill all your wishes, matte and shiny. Floating, I have this is half in matte and half in shiny top coat. All right. So let's pick up our baby fish. It's really, really heavy and beautiful. All right. I just really make sure that she's staying. And it's really cool though. She stay nice and wrap around the nail. So it's perfect.
Ooh, you know what that reminds me of?
Of what?
If you guys remember the Nyan cat, that's the little cat on that toast that with the rainbow tail, keep running around and singing. It's like a fish flying with all the sparkle behind him.
Wow, good imaginate. Give you like A+. What's that?
Right? But if I start singing the song, she's gonna give me an F.
Oh, I'm so in love with this. Someone come and get me because I'm so in love with this. I'm putting a glow in the dark. So far, our fish gonna glow in the dark. Well, working on the designs and making more is like handcrafted flowers. If you experienced all of our flowers we have, then congratulations, there's new ones is coming up. Because we love to keep you on the trend. Okay. One more. Sorry, I'm like finding those cute ones to matching with our flower fish. You can't tell that I have a whole tray of glow in the dark that I show you all the time. One more crystals and we be good to go. I kind of want that one. SB Nails, hello, how are you? Welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yeah, to SB now, all our live as say. So if you want to come back and rewatch any design she done in the past, it's all there, all 3 years of it. And on that note, we've been doing a lot of design throughout 3 years. So any project in particular you guys want to see, go ahead and go to IGTV or Facebook video, just search for it, and you will see tons and tons of them. Any product, any particular design is all theirs. And yes, thank you, CC, YouTube also.
Thank you, CC. So I can't wait because later I'm gonna go back to work. And then I got to watch Vicky doing live. I'm so excited. She's gonna show me something cute. And then she showed me a little bit earlier that sneak peek that what she's going to do with her like acrylic 3D flowers. If you're having a little bit difficult time to doing acrylic 3D flowers, Vicky will share with you how to do it. It's really cool, simple, easiest way. Marblings and all sort of things. She's always come up with really cool ideas. Don't forget to check out our brand ambassadors team. They are amazing, so talented. Just come up with some, create some cool designs. I'm gonna tuck in right here the flower fish. I know I just want to have a little bit bling on the sides instead of just like bling right on the center.
I think Vicky going live right now.
Vicky go live?
I think so. CC said.
No, Vicky going. No, Vicky going live in a little bit. That's it, everyone. Look, that's, I don't know if we're gonna cover that because you're gonna able to see Matt on this side and let's here and then see what's up with his nails. Ooh, if you don't stop me, I keep going and you're never gonna see that your whole little shiny again.